Hectic parleys between the Modi government's chief negotiators and top leaders of the Congress party may finally have led to a breakthrough on the contentious GST bill, with the main opposition party softening its stance considerably. The bone of contention is capping the revenue-neutral GST rate by introducing a clause in the constitutional amendment bill itself. While the Congress has demanded all along that the rate cap should be incorporated in the constitution, the government has been ruling this out, saying that it will make the law difficult to change. But the Congress is now willing to play ball. In a big climb down, the main opposition party says it's okay if the GST rate cap is put outside the constitution.
GST bill has not come to the Rajya Sabha. It is not because Congress has been opposing it. It is because there are large sections within the BJP which are deeply uncertain about the GST bill.
The change of stance by the Congress could set the ball rolling for the GST bill, which is likely to be taken up for discussion in the Rajya Sabha soon. While the Business Advisory Committee has allocated 5 hours for a debate on GST, a decision on when the bill will be tabled will be decided on Tuesday.
राज्यों के बहुत से मुख्यमंत्री भाजपा शासित राज्यों के तो कह ही रहे हैं, जो भाजपा शासित राज्य नहीं है वो भी कह रहे हैं, चाहे पश्चिम बंगाल हो, उड़ीसा हो, बिहार हो, उत्तर प्रदेश हो, वो भी कह रहे हैं जीएसटी जितना जल्दी पास होगा देश हित में होगा। तो हम ये सर्व समिति बनाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं और हम पूरा प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि इस मानसून सत्र में जीएसटी बिल को पास कराएं।
With 60 MPs in the Rajya Sabha, the Congress has been trying to stonewall the crucial legislation for over a year now. But with the party willing to yield some ground, it will clearly be music to government's top lieutenants. Even as the whole nation is tracking every development in the GST bill, the big question is, will extraneous factors like attacks on Dalits and Arunachal Pradesh spoil the party for Modi? Gauri Dwivedi, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.